snaps that you submitted to Spotlight during the eligibility period must have performed well enough in Spotlight during the eligibility period, calculated based on our proprietary formula, to have accumulated at least 10,000 total unique views, included at least 10 unique snaps submitted on the least 5 different days, at least 5 snaps utilizing snap creative tools. So you have to use one of these lenses, filters, or sounds to be eligible. If you didn't use none of these special Snapchat creative tools, you're not gonna get eligible for the money. Buying creators. Here is the payment account eligibility. In order to be eligible to receive payments, you must all satisfy the payment account eligibility. Payments will be allocated in accordance with proprietary payment formula, blah blah blah. Payment amount for eligible creators will be determined based on final numbers of crystals we have recorded for what creators qualifying activity during the given period.